Here it is, the compressor trail, the hardest trail that's the closest trail to Dave's house.
Yep, it's like a mile long, it's all uphill, it's got a creek running through it, it's got rocks and logs, and there's like a pretty difficult waterfall up there.
So I think the Bronco will run like a sewing machine the whole way up there, have no issue with traction, and we'll get bellied out on some silly log.
Yeah, which is fine. All right, let's go see what it'll do.
All right. It rides good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
The suspension's smooth.
Yeah. Is that the tires rubbing those beautiful fenders?
I don't know. Ah, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
I love this trail.
Just don't look behind us.
I'm kind of thinking maybe we should have made the thing run better before we worried about lockers. Here's the ledge that we're gonna have a hard time with.
Okay, there's 3 options right here. There's this log climb, which is probably too much for the Bronco. And then over here on the right is the bypass, which is too easy for the Bronco. So we're gonna take it right up the middle. Come on, Dave, bring it up this.
I'm gonna try it open first.
Okay. So the name of the game, whenever Dave and I are wheeling, is to try and run everything without locking our differentials if we have selectable lockers. So he's gonna try and climb up this open diff.
Gotta keep a little speed.
Good job. The Bronco doesn't have low enough gears. We've already figured that out, just getting up to here. So it's really hard to climb things gracefully.
You gotta kind of beat on it.
Yeah, so, but at least the engine's running good and not smoking or burning a bunch of coolant off. All right, let's keep going. This is fun.
This is fun.
I hope that engine stays together. This ledge is where we would normally go if we had a built rig on 37s or bigger tires. Dave, do you even want to try this?
No, I say we just get up the trail.
All right, we're gonna take the bypass, which is still pretty rough, but he should be able to climb right up that over there. Man, it looks cool. Those little tires are working. All right, you wanna try lockers?
I can try the lockers.
Dave's gonna lock it up. Hopefully that'll keep all 4 tires climbing and it'll go right up this. Oh, go, 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 little truck.
Nice.
Woohoo! Wait, what'd you do?
I used the lockers.
Why did it make it stop smoking?
I think we ran out of coolant in the engine.
Bigger problems?
It runs different.
Yep.
Come on, let's peel out.
Okay. All we gotta do is finish this trail before we finish this truck. Hold on, let me get out and inspect.
Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
I may have just stripped the steering wheel out.
Oh.
Is it in the steering box?
Hold on. Turn driver. Slowly. Back up. Okay, it's just spinning on the steering box.
Okay.
So I think if we tighten down that
Pinch bolt?
pinch bolt, if we're lucky.
It's always the things that you don't expect. That'll stop you.
Kind of roll forward and see if it'll turn. Yeah, come on.